Good evening, friends. Hi, everyone. Today, I am going to show you about some important videos. Basically, Udemy offers a paid courses for all departments like engineering, etc. In this video, I will show you about free Udemy courses with course completion certificate. And this video shows very important courses. And let's start our video. Firstly, a practical guide to learn Angular from scratch. And in this you will learn about Angular, and this is the free course and completion also available. After after apply the code, you will get this course for free. And this course includes 1 hour on demand video, and it is a full-time access. And after that you will get a certificate of completion. This is not a free course. This course is 360 rupees. After apply this code, you will get this course for free. And in this course, you will learn these things and requirements. Basically familiar with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is useful for web development. And the second thing is learn Excel from beginner to advanced. And what you will learn is here. And this course include 4.5 hours on demand video and 90 downloadable resources and full-time access. And this after finish up course, assignments also available, and certificate of completion is also there. And this course is around 700 rupees, but after apply this code, the course is available for free, and the link is provided in the description. Please follow that. And this course videos and course content is this. Next thing, animations in Adobe After Effects fundamentals. These are the beginner level. And 2 hours on demand video and full-time access and certificate of completion. This is the coupon code you should apply while logging into Udemy, or else I will provide you directly link in the description. You can go and register directly. And what you will learn these things, and course content is this: introduction, getting started with Adobe After Effects. If you have photographic skills, then it is very useful for editing the photos and give animating to our photos. And this is also Adobe Premiere Pro Ultimate Beginner course, and this is very pure beginner and don't have a prior experience before. In this 5.5 hours on demand video, in this you will learn advanced Adobe Premiere Pro editing. Full-time access, you can learn anywhere and everywhere and anytime. In this you will learn these things, and the course content is this. And this is the Python data structures. This is the interview problems are available. If you have a good knowledge in Python, you can go through this course and do the all problems, and it is very useful for your interview. And this is 1.5 on demand video, and shortcuts is also available in this course. And this is the course, this is the coupon code you should apply. In the apply coupon here is available in this. After that you have to enroll. Developing HTML5 multiplayer browser game, also known as Edge.io. The total 1 hour on demand video, 1 downloadable resource, and this is the coupon code you should apply. This is very good, and it is like very easy, and you will learn enjoyingly. These are the things you will learn in this course. and these are the course content. And this is the web development course, CSS3 and Bootstrap, and this you will learn these things. This course includes 3 hours on demand video, and this is the code you should apply. These are the course content requirements. No HTML only required. And finally, our most important course. I think this is very useful. Everyone have a enthusiasm to learn this course. Learn ethical hacking in 2020, beginner to advanced level. In this course, you will learn all the things ethical hacking, and this is the things you will learn about ethical hacking, Kali Linux footprint, website penetration testing, etc., etc., etc. I already registered this course, so I am unable to show that coupon code, but the link is provided in the description. Please go through that. And requirements, nothing, because it will teach you all the things from scratch to advanced requirements, and eager and open mind. We have an enthusiasm to learn this course. The total video of this course is 28.5 hours on demand video, and it is available full lifetime access and certificate of completion. Don't think about certificate, because certificate is only just showing outside, but you should have enough knowledge and that much of knowledge after this completion of course. And if you like this video, share, comment and like, and register quickly, because the coupons will expire within 24 hours. Already 10 hours are over. Please register quickly. I think this is the ethical hacking subject. You will learn so much things, and there are the practical sections available. These are the course content available. Thank you everyone. Follow my channel. Thank you.